Hello plant parents, welcome to the brand new show of My Plant, My Baby. In the morning, my mom was cooking this beautiful, yummy palak paneer and she was cutting the spinach. I thought, why don't I teach you how to grow your own spinach? And that's when I also remembered the old age papaya shows where spinach gives them a lot of power and a lot of energy. So I think it's good for the nutrition. The leafy greens are one of the best nutrients for the human body. So it's lockdown and I couldn't get the seeds from Nurturing Green, but I didn't give up. And I thought, you should also not give up. You should try doing it from the cuttings of whatever you have put from the palak. So if you have made the spinach sandwich or the palak paneer, either way, just make sure that you cut 2 to 3 inch above the root structuring there. So when you cut it, I have got these ones from the kitchen right now, and I start sowing them in this recyclable pot which I got it from my basement. We've got 6 of these, and I filled it with a mix of cocoa peat, cocoa chips, and soil and compost mix. It's the same mix which I've been doing it for all the episodes of Seeds of Life. It has no chemical whatsoever, totally organic. And it's a very different mix from what we use for the ornamental plants or the indoor plants. Okay, so what we do is quickly put these cuttings at close distances to each other. If you have thicker ones, try and use the thicker ones because there is more probability of them getting back to life and having a healthy plant. Put them at least 1.5 to 2 inch below so that the roots are well inside the media. So I'm done with the spinach and I have less of them, I think. We couldn't fill it. So I remember mom talking about, yaar, tu bahut kam dhania lagaya tune. So I have some dhania left, I have some coriander seeds left and I put in the rest of them. Partition, and I have this beautiful fence. So I use this fence to do the partition. You can use pebbles also and you can do nothing also, it's not necessary. I just thought I'll put it so there's a difference. So let's bring our seeds. I had these leftovers of few corianders from Nurturing Green packet. It has been growing very well in the other ones. Okay, let me do this dhania. It's a good area to grow decent amount of coriander for our home. So we'll put the dhania seeds directly. Don't do anything. Open the packet and put the seeds, that's it. There are instructions on the back, you can read them, but they're the same as what I'm talking about. Cover it with the soil. And that's how we cover. Now it's time to water it. Oh, yes. So this is ready. This needs watering. So let's water both the areas. Water it well because it's too hot right now, and it's a morning time today. You can either also put this growing happening in the evening so that the water retains, or you put more water. Perfect. And let me just put two of my beautiful markers here. This is for my coriander, and here is for our palak, which is spinach. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our show. If you liked it and watching it on our YouTube channel, do subscribe it below so that you get notifications on our other episodes on how to have greens and plants at home and how to use them. If you're watching it elsewhere, you can subscribe on the YouTube channel. We also have a community on Nurturing Green on the Facebook page. Do join there, and there are a lot of people there who are talking about their own homes, and I'll be answering, and our team will be answering all the queries on the group itself. We also have an Instagram handle. Don't forget to subscribe. We have these beautiful stories coming out there, and I'm sure you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. Enjoy and have a nice day. Bye-bye.